Hai, Assalamualaikum. Saya Nurhamiza binti Surizan, 30 DIF 24F1019, dan partner saya Nur Susanti binti Abdul Qadir, 30 DIF 24F1016. So, hari ini kita orang akan present tentang Islamic crowdfunding based on subject Islamic social finance. So, first ialah types of Islamic crowdfunding. Type of Islamic crowdfunding semuanya ada 9. First ialah donation based crowdfunding. People donate money as charity with no return, such as helping flood victims or building a mosque. Yang kedua, reward based crowdfunding. Supporters fund a project and receive a small gift or product like a free sample from a halal skincare brand. Yang ketiga ialah equity based crowdfunding. Maksudnya investor buy share in a halal business and share profit or loss. For example, investing in a halal restaurant. Yang keempat ialah debt based qard hasan. Contohnya providers and interest free loan that must be repaid later, such as helping an entrepreneur start a small food stall.
Okay, and now I will continue for another types of Islamic crowdfunding. For number 5 is wakaf-based crowdfunding. Funds are collected to build long-term charitable project like Islamic school or wakaf hospital. And number 6 is zakat-based crowdfunding. Use zakat funds to help the poor and asnaf, such as providing educational aids or food support. And number 7 is mudarabah or musyarakah-based crowdfunding, a partnership where investors share profit and risk in halal business, like a modest fashion business. And number 8, sukuk-based crowdfunding. Raise money through Islamic bonds, sukuk, to fund large halal project, for example, a housing or infrastructure project. Social impact and SDG-oriented crowdfunding. This to support projects that bring benefit to society and meet sustainable development goals, such as renewable energy or clean water project.
And next ialah application of crowdfunding in Islamic finance. Kesemuanya ada 6. First, startup and SME financing. Maksudnya macam help new and small halal business to get fund without interest based on mudarabah, profit sharing or musyarakah, partnership. Contohnya funding a halal food truck or Islamic clothing brand. Yang kedua, wakaf and charity based on crowdfunding. Maksudnya collect money for charitable and long-term social project untuk build or support wakaf asset like school or clinic. Contohnya macam online fundraising to build a wakaf hospital. Yang ketiga, real estate and infrastructure project. Maksudnya macam use sukuk or equity crowdfunding to fund halal property and public project. Contohnya macam financing an affordable Islamic housing project.
And now I will continue for application in crowdfunding. For number 4, agriculture and rural development. This to support farmers and entrepreneurs in expand their business or buy their equipment. For example, crowdfunding for their business such as farm. For number 5, education and healthcare support. Use zakat or wakaf to provide student medical or aid support. For example, raising fund for scholarship or free medical camps. And lastly is disaster relief and humanitarian aid. Quickly collects donations to help victims of natural disaster or crisis. For example, online camping to flood victims.
And last but not least is data analysis, different between Islamic crowdfunding and crowdfunding. First is principle. Islamic crowdfunding must follow Sharia, but crowdfunding is based on general financial system. Second, interest. Islamic financial prohibited riba, but crowdfunding may involve interest or fixed return. Third is type of project. Islamic crowdfunding only fund halal and ethical activity, but crowdfunding can fund any project, even non-halal ones. And next ialah contract use. Islamic crowdfunding use Islamic contract like mudarabah, musyarakah, qard hasan, wakaf and zakat. But crowdfunding use normal financial agreements.
And now, we talk about differences between conventional crowdfunding and Islamic crowdfunding. For the aspect is profit and loss. Conventional crowdfunding is based on guaranteed profit or return, and Islamic crowdfunding is based on ratio that we agree on profit and loss sharing and fairness. The main goal is to focus on financial return or economic growth. Meanwhile, the Islamic crowdfunding is focused on ethical profit, social welfare, and community benefit. Lastly is ethical standard. Conventional crowdfunding depends on platform policies. Meanwhile, the Islamic crowdfunding must ensure transparency and justice.